currently walking to buy something. We'll see. Oh my god, there's a lot of cars here. It's really... We're almost there. Just wait. Could I have a double chicken fry? 不要
香蕉，
萝卜糕2片呢？
要剪吗？
可以2片。
剪了哈。
I secured the bag. Radish cake. Ta-da. Damn, I secured the bag. Okay, I'm opening it up. Oh, I found it. Okay, I'm taking a chili sauce. I feel like this chili sauce is gonna taste good. Opening the chili sauce right here. Okay, I'm gonna take away this bowl for space. Currently opening the radish cake. What could possibly be happening there? It's a taste test currently. Putting my stick in it and dipping the chili sauce. Oh, it's gonna overflow. Is it? Currently, oh, that's too much. I'm gonna take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. Very yummy. It tastes very good.
A few moments later.
It's a small little cabin now. Okay. So the lighting is here, fan is here, our green light, and the so-called hall light,
Finally, we're going to go swim. Technically not swim, we're gonna play water. Oh, it's kind of like a waterfall. There's water. So, yeah. Hopefully it's fun. The roads are really steep. I might fall. Honestly, I will. Maybe I will. Okay, kind of steep. You're not supposed to take off your slippers. Let's go down. This guy is scared. Ooh. Holy, this water is cold. Oh my. Okay.
Stop vlogging ah.
No. The water. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's kind of dangerous. I might fall. My phone might fall. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys there. I'm gonna have fun. As you can see, Ryan, my brother, was very scared of the monkeys, and I wasn't scared at all. Ha ha ha. My dogs are still playing in the water, though. As you can see right here, Choco, my dog, he's currently playing on top of the rock, playing in the water. What is he trying to do? And currently, the photographer is my mother. Yeah. So yeah, basically we let our dogs play in the water, and it was kind of fun for the dogs. So I think they enjoyed it. So did I, to be honest. But obviously there were monkeys, and my brother was afraid, so we had to go.
阿弟，你不会玩那扑跑，我揪到你了。阿弟，你不会玩，你不要玩啦，諗下耍情啊！来，不要弄他，他不要玩，给他死啊！不要玩啦！
To be honest, this is actually quite fun. But you know what's more fun? Liking my photos. Actually, I don't think that's fun, but it's okay. Oh, but the dog. Okay, anyways, I enjoyed this experience so much that I posted some photos of it on my Instagram at @itsurson. If you would like to, please drop a follow and like my photos. So yeah, basically that's just us having fun. So right now, let's go have dinner, and I'll see you guys there. Arrived at our dinner spot. Really? By the way, that's rambutan. Rambutan. Okay, let's go. Hi, Steve.
Hey,
Hi.
subscribe to me.
Subscribe to me. Yeah, subscribe to me. Go. Hi.
It's called safety precaution.
So basically, just now a dog was following us. Just now the dog you saw earlier? Yeah, the dog was following us. You know why? Because we had 2 dogs, and because we had 1 female dog. Sorry, I have to use lighting like this, because there's no lighting currently, so the dogs just follow us. So right now we're going home. The dogs safely ran away. Let's go. Hi guys, currently we just arrived back home. Not home. Well, back into our cabins, and I'm gonna go shower. So currently the view is amazing at night. Let me just show you. Just look. There's a few lights here. I don't think you can see much from here, but it's actually quite amazing. After my shower, I'm gonna give a tour if I could, because it's kind of dark around. But yeah, so let me just go shower. Hold on 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished showering and I've changed into my clothes, and my hair, it's dry, comfy, and yeah, I'm settled in, and let's give you a tour. Why is my face so clear? What the? I'm not using any filters. But yeah, let's show you a tour. Let's show you around. So this is the outside. There's a lot of lights. This is the pond from earlier. This is the pathway from earlier. So yeah, let me
Okay, I'm gonna go down. Just let me watch my step. And I'll show you guys the total. Oh my goodness. The gravel is gonna support me. Okay. There we go, I'm good. I'm good, guys, I'm good. Okay, so basically this is the pond. This is the halfway familiar. And this is the pond. Now in this pond, there's something special actually. This is a shack from earlier. And this is a campsite, which I didn't go to because I live in a cabin. I don't live in a tent. Okay, basically there's nothing actually pretty interesting here. It's just a chill track. You can go chill, enjoy nature, you know, but this is the only thing you can see right now as everything is dark, even though I turned on the flashlight. So yeah, let me just show you. The scenery is quite nice. The water is here. And yeah, this is the bridge. This is a bridge. This is a pathway. My legs feel ticklish. Okay, maybe it will look better now. So basically, do you remember earlier me on the swings, whatever it's called? So this is the thing. I'm not gonna ride on it. This is it actually looks kind of beautiful. I'm stuttering. And Janda Baik looks like this, guys. Oh, the trees. I wish you could see it right now, but it's so dark. So yeah, let's head back. And yeah. Hello people. Currently, it's me. Hi.
It's me. Hi.
So basically, I have a torch with me. Oh my god, I look so scary. Okay, that might hurt my eyes. But yeah, this is a table from earlier. You guys can see. Food, the stove, portable gas stove, and everything. Yeah, that's basically it for now. Maybe I'm gonna cook supper, but if I cook supper, I'm gonna take a video. But if that's not it, then I'm gonna go back and I'll tell you when I'm gonna say goodnight, okay? So just let me enjoy my night. I'll see you soon. Chef Tan in the house, currently outside, cooking with a gas stove, cooking probably the best